That's a baby.
Ba.
Baby.
Ba.
Baby.
Hey, Gaia, where are your fingers? How about your arms? That's right. How about your head?
Da.
Hey, Gaia. Gaia girl.
Where's your head?
Where's your head? And where's your hair? Ooh, almost fell over trying to grab my hair.
That's your arm. Where's your chin?
Da.
Where's your leg?
Yeah.
Where's your belly?
Or did you? Yeah.
How about your belly button? And your butt?
Where's your butt? No, not mommy's butt. Where's your butt?
Where's your butt? Where's Gaia's butt?
Mommy's butt.
It's back there somewhere.
Where's your foot? Where's your foot?
That's right.
Where are your toes?
Da.
Where are your toes?
Where are your toes?
Yeah, those are Daddy's toes.
Watch out.
You want to get down?
Da.
Well, turn around. You know how to get down.
Guy, where are your shoulders? Shoulders.
Da.
Where are your shoulders? That's right.
Yeah.
Hey, that's your belly button. I know. That's
Did
your
you-
favorite.
Did you already show him where your ears are? Where your ears?
Da. Da.
Hey, Gaia.
Da.
Yeah.
Where's your tongue?
Da. Da.
Outside?
Da. Da. Da.
That's outside.
Hey, Gaia. Which way's up? Which way's down? Yeah. And what's a cat say? And a dog? How about a monkey? And a bee? What's a bee say?
What's the bumblebee say?
Yeah, it stings you.
Yeah.
How about the sheep?
What's a sheep say?
And they show me a picture of a
Yeah, I need
sheep.
a picture.
Ba. Ba.
Yeah.
Baba.
What's a fish? That's right.
What's the owl? What about an owl?
Oh.
Yeah.